अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। हमें उम्मीद है कि आपको ये अमल अच्छा लगेगा। मोकलात और हज़रात की हाज़री का अमल है।
63 Attendance of clients. Attendances of clients who can be taken into possession and strange things are taken from them and which are attributed to the names of days. By the grace and grace of God, I have all their operations with me. Those who serve. First comes the Sunday client, which is the most powerful. It is the highest in power. I present to you. This process is experienced and tested by me. I have done it many times. Found more than condemn. I have complete faith in its authenticity. There is no question of doubt. The effects of this process start after 21 days. Sometimes clients try to scare the agent into giving up. But remember that if you abandon the process, there is a 30-day period for it. You cannot abandon this process. In this process, there is no special haze, but Sharia haze is necessary. For me, haze on Sharia. Yes, he is very strict with Jalali and Jamali. But I think it is necessary to say that you must do haze on mixed. For example, you should understand that meat, garlic, onion and sexual intercourse etc. can be done, but it is very important to be clean after that. After that your success. It is necessary. You will get very close. The Sunday client's name is Abdullah Nasir and he comes very early. Light the coal and keep it in front of you. Pour a little bit of red sandalwood sack on the sandalwood. The process should take about an hour and a half. Sandalwood should not be missing. It is better to make tablets by mixing a little glue and after 10 minutes add one tablet. It is important to face the Qibla, but it is also important to take care of Rizal al-Gab. Correct, and I swear to you, O servant of God, Nasab al-Rufial. Biharmat ya Fatar Efir al-Ajl al-Sa. One thing or two things that I do not like to mention to anyone whatever they do. This is a 40-day process.